well. Well, well. Well, well.
How are you back from the dead?
Oops.
Quack.
Hey you. Stop.
Stop you, Zippy.
I am leader now. That's it. Get out of my flock. And go live in that water you like.
Hey!
What?
Wanna join my school?
Okay, how?
Just join in flocks.
I'm in.
Good. Now, wait, I need another student. Okay, forget this. I am GP. Hey!
What?
Join my school.
Okay.
Alright, let's go! TP now. Good. Okay, our school must be in there. Let's take over their school. Never mind, their school is gone. Okay, TP quick.
What I?
Hey, weird question, but can you die for me?
Sure.
Takes over body, JK.
Take over the school.
What? Get out the school block and join ours. It's Halloween now.
Nah. That's at almost end at October.
Halloween is on October 31st.
It's not October 31st for me.
That's still Halloween.
She's
I'm okay.
right.
But I'm still not gonna join y'all.
Okay, let's go. Everybody go and see. Not you.
Oh,
Okay.
today we are learning how to fight.
Why?
Because we just need to. What is 10 plus 21?
I don't know and don't ask me.
1 RP. 31.
Correct. Now, let's learn about potions.
Boring. This flock sucks.
What? That's a punishment. Come with me, student. Goodbye, Yi. Welcome back, everyone. Geez. Now you ruined my desk. Okay. We must do what I say. You hear me?
Here!
Good! Now,
Let's fight!
for our glory! Dodo!
Huh, what did you say?
You must be our loyal steed. Do you accept?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's KROR and defeat all the birds.
Enemy spotted.
Get him!
Enemy spotted.
New enemy.
What the?
Ah! I'm going to be heaven. We're all going to be heaven. I'm glitching. OMG! I'm alive! We're all alive. But our steed.
Is gone.
What a nice day.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Huh?
Okay.
Wait. Dad,
What?
can we go home?
No.
Why?
We're going fishing.
But I'm cold.
Too bad, we're going now.
Han, listen to your child.
No. No.
Yes. It's your child. They're cold.
I don't care.
Dad,
Wit.
Dad, Dad, Dad.
I'll fix him.
Okay. Z.
Han.
I don't care.
Go away.
Hey. OE.
I slap.
Oh.
Go away. Go.
Whatever, bruh.